Kuringana na uthuthuria uria watafanirio gatagati-ini ga tariki 27 na tariki 29 mweri muhituku ni kambuni ya uthuthuria ya TIFA. Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Profesa Kithure Kindiki no atongoretie hari uruti wira wa muingi ari na gicunji kia 68 hari igana, iria ni grade ya B arumirirwo ni minista munene Musalia Mudavadi ari na gicunji kia 59 hari igana, iria ni grade ya C+. Ababu na mwaba wa mathako ni wa gatatu, Eliud Walo wa ICT ni wa kana, riri adendwale wa ugitiri wa bururi ya higeti ya 5 abere.
The seriousness with which the CS performs his responsibilities, which are captured by you people in the media, still allows him to retain first place, even if at a lower level.
Nari minister ya Kenya maugite ni mafashitie wira-ini wao ni Davis Chilchil wa hinya uria tuhuthiraga, Florence Bora wa Liba, Zachary Njiru wa Mayari mahetwo grade ya D-. Goko minister wa URIMI Mithika Linturi anyitete mutingo na grade ya E.
From D- to E. And I don't think I have to tell you why these people were rated at the bottom. You know their ministries, what problems are going on. But only one got a pure E, and that is CS for Agriculture, Mithika Linturi.
Kwendio gwa bataraitha itakinyaniirie ikiro kuri arimi kuhitukira bodi ya IRIO NYUMU NCPB ni kimwe gia gitumi kinene ya Kenya mahete Minista Linturi grade ya E. Gicunji kia 53 hari igana kia Kenya gikiendekithia kuwa mutharaba wa bataraitha ino arumirirwo ni kambuni ya KEL Chemicals na gicunji kia 6 hari igana, NCPB gicunji kia 5 hari igana na KEBS na gicunji kia 4 hari igana.
On Tuesday evening, 3 senior officials from NCPB were arrested. If they had been arrested last weekend before we started interviewing people, maybe Linturi's 53% would be lower and maybe NCPB would be much higher. But people didn't know, even we didn't know those people were going to be arrested, including the MD.
Shigi mugomo wa arigitani gicunji kia 54 hari igana kia Kenya matiranyita baru mugomo uyu wa arigitani, makiringithanio na gicunji kia 23 hari igana kia Kenya ria maranyita baru mugomo uyu. Kumana na gicunji kia 47 hari igana kia Kenya mugite minista wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakumincha nowe wagiriirwo gukinyaniria wiguano wa kunina mugomo uyu. Gicunji kia 28 hari igana magakuithia murigo uyu kiama kia arigitani KMPDU.
And most blame goes on the cabinet CS, but slightly lower than the blame level for the CS in agriculture, for Nakumincha, 47%. Shigi mitino ya farafara iria ikoretwo yongererekete bururi-ini gicunji kia 29 hari igana kia Kenya muigite ngari cia ukui wa muingi ni cicungagiriria mitino ino. Gicunji kia 25 hari igana kia Kenya makendekithia minista wa ukui arute mutaratara wa kunina mitino ino. Riri gicunji kia 12 hari igana kia Kenya muigite maabitha borithi a traffic nio mabatie gukua murigo wa mitino ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitego Mwaura, Wagunya.